Okay, children, the time now is 5:30. Shall we begin lesson?
Yep. Okay.
Okay, let's go. All right, so today, right, we are continuing with what? Remember? Money, money, money. It's so funny. Part
It's
2, all right?
not funny.
It's not funny,
It's not funny.
Okay, why so
money.
serious? All right,
That's
so
so-
last week we had money, money, money. It's not funny. All right, so this week we'll continue with money again, all right? So this week our main purpose is again on a bit of problem sums, because problem sums is a very big factor inside your exam. All right, just to let you know, when you go to PSLE, right, primary 6, right, about 80% of the questions are all problem sums. Can? So you must know your problem sums well. So today we'll try to focus a little bit on something called part whole model and a bit of comparison model. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am.
Ready?
All right, so you must say, yes, I am. All right, let's try again. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Very good. Hey, Shiloh and Vanish Navi. Not ready, is it?
I look like I'm looking at nothing, but I'm actually looking at the monitor.
Shiloh, ready?
No.
Why not ready? What happened to you? Are you okay?
No.
Why no? Are you okay today?
I kept sneezing today.
Oh no, I think somebody is thinking of you.
I was
Those-
also sneezing today.
Sometimes usually when people keep like people, old people, like they keep saying that, hey, how come you keep sneezing? It's like somebody is thinking of you. So maybe your daddy or mommy is thinking of you a lot. All right. All right,
My dad
Vanish
is
Navi.
in like USA.
Oh, okay. That's why she's thinking of you. All right. She
Yesterday
misses
I
you so
kept
much.
sneezing.
Oh yeah, I think she misses you a lot. All right. Hey, so Vanish Navi, are you ready? Hello,
La 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 la.
Vanish Navi, can you hear me?
No.
Can you hear me? Can you unmute yourself and talk to me, Vanish Navi? Hello, can you hear me? Oh no, what happened to her?
No annotating allowed.
Not yet. Later. Hey, Vanish Navi.
I
Are
want
you-
to draw the box around.
No, she's not listening. I don't know what's happening.
I think
Okay.
she cannot hear.
Yeah, that's the worry, because her connection is a little bit.
I think I know why she's not even. I think I know why she cannot hear us.
Why?
Maybe she forgot to enter the audio.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know. So I'm in the chat. I'm trying to chat with her.
Vaishnavi, look at the chat. Okay.
Vaishnavi, can you hear me? Okay, come. Never mind.
Please unmute.
Yeah, I think she. Yeah. So anyway, let's go into our
Okay, unmute yourself.
Sorry.
Nothing.
Okay, come. Let's go into our mental sum right now.
No.
Okay, first one. This is mine. That is mine. That's mine. 28 divided by 4 is a 7. Yes, Bern got it. Woo!
Oh, you didn't get it.
I got it.
It's your own question.
I know. Okay, so starting now the starting is Rudran, Shiloh, Vanishnavi, all right?
No. Vaishnavi.
In this order. Vanishnavi, can you hear me?
Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi.
Her video is on, but she cannot hear.
Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi.
Okay, never mind. Let's continue. Just the two. I will help
I
Vanishnavi
think
now.
he's asking her parents to like help her.
Yeah, I will ask. I will get Vanishnavi. I will answer for Vanishnavi. Okay. Okay. So start with Rudran first. Rudran, ready? Rudran, your turn.
Yep.
Let's go.
35.
Very good. Very fast. Shiloh, are you
I
ready?
want a hard one, please.
Okay, Shiloh, easy one.
Oh. 18.
18. All right. Okay, and now is Vanishnavi. That is who I'm representing her. 54 divided by 6. 9.
Yay.
Yay! The
You
three of
read
us
the
got it.
question. That's why you know.
Okay, so I give everybody 1 point.
Except for Vaishnavi because she really never do it. You
No, I'm asking. I'm helping her to answer. All right, so that everybody can get it. I think she's not able to hear us. Never mind. Cannot blame her. What? Okay, so ready? Next, Rudran, your turn.
Okay. No problem. 64.
64. Wow, very strong, Rudran. Your mental sum is like super strong,
So easy.
very impressed with you. Shiloh, ready?
So easy. Oh, 18.
Very good. Very good. And now is Vanishnavi, but I'll be doing for her. 31.
Oh yeah, that's.
All right, because 15, right? 15 is very close to, it's like 16 is actually very close to 15. So if 16 is very close to 15, right? 15 plus 15 is like 30. 30 plus extra 1 is 31. That's how I was thinking just now.
I was thinking about that in the first question.
Very good, very good.
But
Smart,
then I
smart.
was very slow though.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, so everybody got points again. Let me put in mental sum.
La 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 la.
Yes, okay, Rudran. Are you ready, Rudran?
Yup. 48.
Very good, 6 timetable, 8 timetable, very good. 48 is correct. Shiloh, ready?
All my timetable for some strange reason I have to. 60.
Hey, very easy, huh? Shiloh, because 11 times 6, right? You know what's 11 times 6? So 6 times 1 is 66. Can you see now? Very fast. So Shiloh, if I ask you what is 11 times 7, what's the answer? Shiloh, if I ask you what is 11 times 7, what's the answer?
77.
Yalla, it's okay. All right, don't worry about this.
We don't get a point.
11 timetable is actually quite simple. Next one, I'll answer for Vanishnavi. I'll answer. 42 divided by 6 is a 7. 7. Yes, I did it. Okay, come, Rudran, back to you,
Oh, this is 32.
32 is correct. 32 is correct. Good job. Hey, Vanishnavi, are you back?
Can
you say something? Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes, okay, come. Shiloh, next one, your turn.
Yibi.
Do you happen to see the question? 37 minus 12,
Yeah, I know, but I forgot the 7.
Yeah, so it's just
3
3 minus 1 and 7 minus 2. Can you see that?
Yeah.
All right, so you're caught a bit off guard. It's okay. All right, so it's 25, right? Okay, Vanishnavi, can you try the next one, please? I need you to unmute yourself, Vanishnavi. Ready? Vanishnavi, I need you to unmute yourself.
Huh?
Your turn,
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, but the answer come out, then you say cannot. All right, must say before that. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. Please, Vanishnavi, your mental sum, you need to be stronger a little bit, can? All right, go and train up on your 6, 7, 8, 9 timetable. Are you understood or not? Do you understand, Vanishnavi? Do you understand?
La. Redeeming myself.
All right, next one, Rudran, your turn.
Yep. 7.
7 is correct. So looking at this, right, is 32 minus what? 32 minus 25, right? What do? I will take the 25 and count upwards. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 is 7. Good job. All right, so don't have to always minus. You can learn to count upwards. All right, Shiloh, are you ready for next one?
Yes. 5.
Very good. Woo! All right, Vanishnavi, we need you to save them. All right, to get us the point. Are you ready, Vanishnavi? This is yours, Vanishnavi.
9.
9. Very good. All right, almost at the last minute, you got it. Good job. So everybody got 1 point. Good job. Teamwork. All right, next one. Rudran, back to you.
Yep. Cannot see it.
Huh?
Yeah.
What cannot see?
I cannot see the question.
This one cannot see?
Oh, now I can see it.
Yeah, because I don't know. All right, so 26 plus 9 is a 35. Okay, so 26 plus 9. 9 is actually close to 10. So 26 plus 10 is like close to 36. But it's not a full 10. So you must minus 1. So it's a 35. Understand?
Yep.
Shiloh, your turn.
Oh, 6.
Very good, very fast. Good job. Wow, your 6 timetable is good, huh? Vanishnavi, your turn.
La 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 la. 30.
Yeah, but you say after. All right. So your mental sum need to be a little bit stronger, you see, So can you see that the 6 and the 4 actually makes a 10? Down here got 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1, again, will give you the 60. Ken, you need to try to be able to bring the numbers together. All right, try to recognize these numbers. Ken? Okay, next one. Rudran.
Yeah. 16.
16, okay, good. All right, and that's the last one. So Rudran saved the planet. So everybody got the extra one
I
more.
wanted to do.
Okay, so children, just to let you know that this is the extra homework, right? This is an extra work from last week. All right, my voice is lagging. Vanishnavi, can you hear me better now?
Yeah, your voice is actually lagging.
Okay,
Yesterday I got kicked out of the room.
why? What happened?
Because my whole computer got lagged.
Oh no, your computer got lag. Okay, okay. So this is the extra question, right? Can the three of you try doing this question right now? The first person to give me the answer on the chat, you must key in the answer, key in the final answer on the chat. All right, we'll get extra points. All right, currently who is leading? Check this out. All right, Rudran is leading by 1 point. All right. So this one is a 5 point. 5 point. The first person who get the right answer gets 5 points.
I know.
Go to the chat and key the answer. Go to the chat and key in. Don't tell me. Oh, Shiloh got it. Wow. All right, the second person, quick. The second person get 3 points. Yes, Rudran, good. And Vash, good, huh?
I sent it.
Sorry?
I sent it.
Yeah, I saw. Rudran, you sent it as the second person. Shiloh got the first person. So Shiloh get 5 points, huh?
I'm so itchy.
Rudran, you're the second, you got 3 points.
I don't know why I got mosquito bite.
Oh no.
Wait, how do I get 3 points? I thought.
Sorry?
How do I get 3 points?
What do you mean by that?
How do I get 3 points?
Because you're the second person who sent me the answer.
Yeah. Isn't the first person supposed to get the most points?
Yes, the first person got 5 points.
Oh, she got 5 points?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Vanishnavi, do you know how to do?
I don't think she can actually hear.
Sorry?
I don't think she can actually hear us.
Vanishnavi, can you hear me? Okay, so anyway, she will get 1 point for trying to participate. Okay, so now the current leading is who? Let me see. Is Shiloh leading by 1 point. Whoa, you guys are very close, huh?
Yeah, we'll get her.
Okay, good. All right, so this question, right, let me try to work it out, right? Draw it out for you guys for Vaishnavi. So what do we have is Kelly and Mandy had the same number of stems. All right, so we have Kelly. All right, we have Mandy. And they have the same number of stems means they have what? Equal, right? So it's something like that. All right, equal shape, equal sizes. Can you see? So this is actually what I call a comparison model. All right, and a little bit of before or after. So this is in before, right? Can you see now? This is before. All right, this is the before drawing, right? Okay, then what happened? Mandy gave Kelly 5. So Mandy becomes shorter. Mandy becomes shorter by 5. So this portion, right, is actually Mandy giving Kelly 5. All right. So eventually this portion will come out. Can you see? So this is a transfer of 5 to up here. Is that true? So now what do Mandy has? Mandy now is left with this portion, which is the red color, which is actually the after model. All right. And Kelly is left with this entire thing, the red color. Yes, yes. And you're doing so well, Shiloh. All right. Very good, very fast. I'm so impressed with you. And what happened? How the number of stamps that Kelly had became 35, 30. So